Today we're going to be going over what comes in the box of the new Moto E5 Plus. So first, we have the device. Believe it or not, this device feels great. It seems like a very solid mid-range device. I might actually use it as a daily driver for a while. Another thing that it comes with is your SIM card, of course, that you do need to activate service. It does come with a SIM tool because the SIM card and SD card is enclosed in this device. You will have the booklets, which include the welcome guide or the start guide. You have the terms and conditions of this device that include your warranty information and your return policy. And then you have pretty much the safety information that's included standard in a lot of devices in general. The device does come with a charging base. Now this is a turbo powered charging base, so it's supposed to charge the phone faster than a normal base. And then it comes with a micro USB cable, of course, to charge your phone. So these are all the things included in the new Moto E5 Plus box.